Here, left that one for me.
Really? You dropped the milk.
See the stockings?
What? Wow. This is kisses. I wanted kisses for Christmas. On a bike. This is just what I wanted for Christmas. I wanted a new bike.
You can have Sissy's old one.
What's that? I guess we're doing stockings first, huh?
A camera.
Joey wants to open something.
You get a camera. Wait.
That's a yo-yo.
A yo-yo. I can show it, Sissy. Yes. A yo-yo. Yo-yo. We both got yo-yos.
Joey.
A yo-yo. I wanted a yo-yo for Christmas.
Now you can learn tricks on it. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Let me see it.
How do you do it?
Let me see it, Kayla.
Yes.
I think you have to put a knot in it. Oh, there's already a little loop. Then you have to, ooh, lights too.
Oh, cool.
Like this, you have to see them. Watch Kayla.
Kayla, that's not yours.
You have to look for names.
Oh, it does say Kayla.
Ooh,
There's
look
one
at
like
that.
just like that for mommy.
Wow,
Yo-yos. I'll learn.
that's a good trick.
Oh.
Ooh, yo-yo.
This is from Santa Claus.
Joey wants to help.
Is it for you and Kayla? I think that was for you and Kayla.
Underwear.
You always need new underwear.
Clothes. Can I get this to Kayla? It's Tinkerbell.
Sure. Kayla, you can have some new Tinkerbell underwear.
Clothes. More clothes.
No.
What?
What is that?
It's a hat.
Put it on.
This is to me from Kayla?
No, it's to both of you. Let's see. Show Daddy.
Let's see where it is, Kayla. Oh, it's that string
Joey
again.
makes us a toy.
Why don't you give him something to open? He's going crazy.
Oh, look, there's still some more things in here, Kayla.
Hello Kitty Flippo! This is for Mommy.
What's this?
A Tinkerbell show. Tiffy, look, I got those Flippos. I got Squinkies.
I think that one's for both of you girls. You want to get Joey a present?
Oh, Joey. Joey, no. Oh, Joey.
Can you help me get the string off?
Okay.
Oh.
Perfect, Joey.
Tiffy, you got two more things in your pocket.
Oh, Joey. Oh, Joey, poor Joey.